Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Queen, and in today's video I'll be bringing you a review on the Verano Hill handbags. So if you're someone that has been wondering if this brand is worth the purchase, then this video is definitely for you. A special thank you to Verano Hills for partnering with me on this video, and let's just get into it. So just a little about Verano Hill. It's a handbag brand that focuses on luxury, that's affordable, and they offer so many different styles that are all at an accessible price, often under $200. And they're currently running a buy one get one free promo for all bags, and I'll definitely leave that down in the description for you guys to check out. So the first thing I will say about these is I really love that all their bags come in like this little dust bag like this, because I really feel like it just adds to like the whole like luxe feel. So let's just get into this first bag. The first bag is the Joyce shoulder bag, and this one is in black. It does come in other colors. What I really love about this bag is that I feel like it's like the perfect all-purpose bag. I really like that it's like small. It also has like these chains on it. I personally am not a fan of like really big bags, so I like that this is small. I feel like smaller bags for me, they personally fit me better because I'm short and small, so it's just a personal preference. And I feel like the quality on this bag is like really good as well. The next bag is a Lucia handbag in dark brown. I absolutely love this bag. It's definitely giving quality. I feel like the bag style that this is right now is like really in, and I'm so obsessed with the color, and honestly the quality on this one is like really good as well. And look at the hardware. Like it's just so nice. Like I'm obsessed. And lastly, we have the Vienna handbag in beige. This bag is stunning. And it's just so unique and perfect for special occasions. And honestly, I usually stay away from like lighter colored handbags. I don't know why, I just do. But I really love this one. So I just had to have it because it's literally stunning. I think this is my favorite. I love them all, but I think this might really be my favorite. And this one actually also comes with like the little wallet. And it also comes with like the strap as well. It's just an option to have there, which is really cute as well. So yeah, this bag is so stunning though. And like it comes in different colors if you don't want it in this color. I love them all, but I think this one might be my favorite. It's just so different and so unique. I just love it. So after seeing these bags, don't you guys agree that Verano Hill makes the most perfect bags for all occasions? I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm impressed. When you shop with them, you're actually getting solid material, clean and stylish designs, and a luxury look that's affordable. So I'll definitely have all the bags that you saw in today's video linked below in the description. So be sure to check them out. And also let me know in the comments which one of these bags is your favorite. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.